Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is Renee Roxanne. Today I'm going to be showing you how I take my luscious curly hair from this to this beautifully blown out and stretched hair. I will also show you how to create a simple heatless curl from your blowout. It will give Hollywood waves. You can get deep wave results just by doing some Bantu knots. So if you want to see how I blow out this luscious healthy hair and get these phenomenal results, stay tuned and let's get right into this video. My hair is freshly shampooed and deep conditioned, and I rinsed with hair tea. I have my hair in 4 sections, and I'm putting away the left side and starting with the right side first, and putting away the top portion and working with the back. I have 2 different leave-in conditioners that I'm going to be using today because of their heat protectant purposes. In the palm of my hands, I'm mixing together 5 Heat hot sauce and It's a 10 Miracle leave-in. And then I am gently smoothing and raking the product into my hair. You can definitely just use one, but both of these work really great for my hair type. Now I'm twisting away the section all the way out to the end, wrapping it up and clipping it out of my way. And then I'm going to apply these very same products to the other 3 sections, and then I'll come back to you once they are complete. I'm going to part out a small row in the back of my head to start the blow drying process. Make sure to use a brush to detangle the section of hair before you start blow drying. The setting is on high speed, medium heat. Make sure to use a concentrator nozzle or diffuser to help focus the heat in one location and to avoid burns. I'm using mine without a concentrator because I feel like I don't need one, and I'm going to show you how you can still get great results without an attachment. To blow dry, I'm holding the end of my hair nice and taut and stretching the curls out while I continuously move the blow dryer around my hair. This is just to help to elongate the curls before I pull them through a brush with fine bristles. It will cause more breakage and snapping of your hair, so I feel like this is best to do first. So now you want to grab a round brush and place it underneath that section of hair and brush and smooth through. Then place it at the base of your roots and gently, with tautness, pull the hair through to smooth it straight. Do this technique as you work your way down to the ends of your hair. The slower that you go and the more tautness that you have is the more stretched and straightened your hair will become. So that is a technique that I usually use. You can click the card above to see the technique and how I use it when I'm ready to straighten my hair. Here's the new technique that I unlocked just today, and I thought, why not use the straightening brush that has a lock at the end to stretch my hair out? As you can see, my ends are a little bit trashy. Even though the round brush works phenomenally and gets my hair stretched, I feel like it needs a little bit more oomph to get the job done for my ends. You see me using the ionic paddle brush to see if I can get it a little bit more smooth, but I have just the trick. I won't have to risk tiring out myself and my wrist with having to roll the brush over and over again. I am closing the ceramic straightening brush as close to my roots as possible and locking the end of it into place so that the brush doesn't pop open. While holding the brush firm and with tautness, I am gently pulling the hairbrush down the lengths of my hair. Slowly, I'm going to continuously move the blow dryer around my hair so that it can get dry and it does not create any hot spots. Make sure to hit each section of hair with the cool shot button to set the hair and cool it down. To create the Bantu knot heatless curl, you want to grab your hair at the roots and start to roll and twist it around between your fingers and in one direction until it becomes nice and tight and it forms a knot. Then you're going to wrap your hair around itself and continue to wrap down and secure the hair underneath and use a hairpin or a silver hair clip to keep it in place. I finished out the back sections and now I'm parting out a portion in the front. Brush through the hair to make sure that it is free of knots and tangles. You can skip the stretching part, but I feel like it helps me not pull through my curly hair as much when the curls are slightly pre-stretched. I'm holding the hair and stretching the curls as I blow dry on all sides. Now go ahead and brush through those stretched curls. Now clamp down on your roots with the straightening brush and lock it closed, and then pull it taut with some tension, gently smoothing it through your hair as you continuously move the blow dryer around on all sides of that section so that the hair becomes dry, stretched, and looking its best. You may have to do this technique at least 2 to 4 times, depending on how thick your sections are, how wet your hair is, and just your hair type in general. Don't forget to follow up with the cool shot button. I feel like using this Diane straightening brush technique saves you so much time and a lot of effort. I'm actually going to continue doing this technique throughout the rest of my hair. Look at how my hair is just giving life right now. It has so much bounce and so much body. Now I'm twisting and rolling that finished section towards the front of my face until it gets nice and tight. Then it'll form a knot, wrap the hair around itself until it gets down to the base, and secure it with a hair clip. These blowout Bantu knots are going to look incredible. Did you know that this could be a heatless curly style on stretched hair, not just on your wet curly hair? So for this last and final section, it is just about 50% dry. I'm splitting it in half and twisting away the front, and then I am brushing it to detangle and clamping down with the Diane brush and locking it into place. Because this hairbrush is ceramic and has these air vents, that hot air is able to pass through and it doesn't leave any hot spots on your hair, as well as the bristles are super gentle. As stiff as they are, they pass through my curly hair very easily. And I actually had stopped doing the hand stretching method because it was cooking my little hand. So I am just using the Diane brush, and you'll see it will get just as smooth as it always does. Remember to also repeat the technique 2 to 4 times to get your hair as stretched as possible. Detangle your hair after the first pass. Clamp the straightening brush down as close to the roots as possible and lock it into place so that the tension does not loosen up. Now use the blow dryer while keeping it at least an inch or 2 away from your hair so that you don't create hot spots, and then continuously move the blow dryer around on top of and underneath that section of hair. You can use your round brush. I am not discounting the fact that it works, but it just takes much more time and much more effort with this hair type. Enjoy as I finish up this last section of hair. Make sure to drop any questions down in the comments below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and ring that notification bell, babies. I'm staying hydrated with water, of course. Make sure you do so as well. Look in awe as I unravel this Bantu knot section. Oh my goodness, this is literally giving Hollywood waves clip-ins, like deep body wave. You can surf on these curls, girl. Comment below if you're trying to see the entire takedown of this deep wave style. As phenomenal as this hair looks, it is not my last and final style. I'm actually about to part my hair out, and then I am going to get started with, what do you guess? So I actually went in with my straightening brush from Fabulous Pro to stretch the hair even further. Now, click the card above or the link in the description box below to see how I use this heat brush to get a delicious result. This is what my hair looked like completely stretched after the heat styling brush was used. My hair is looking so healthy and shiny, even though we only used 2 leave-in products and no oil or any other products. My hair has grown so much since I started this YouTube channel. Be sure to look back at my older videos so that you can see where we all started. This journey is giving length, it's giving volume and body, and I hope that you all love how we got to these beautiful results. The next thing I did was create pin curls in my hair, which I had never done before in my entire life, and I wanted to see what results we could obtain. And oh my gosh, are these results giving 1940s old money, or is it just me? I feel like it definitely complements my looks. Comment below what you all think about it. And it's just giving rich bitch vibes. So go ahead and click that card above if you want to see how we get these final results. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you all love this video. You'll see me in the next one. Bye for now.